as I told you, that sadhava jivo ma marova. There was a nice story the other day I told you, that a sage is giving different kinds of blessings to different types of persons. So to a king's son, a prince, he blessed Rajaputra Chiranjiva. Oh, you are king's son, prince, you live forever. And Muniputra, the son of a saintly person, he blessed him, Majiva, you don't live. Rajaputra Chiranjiva Muniputra Majiva. And sadhu, devotees, he blessed him, Jivova Amarova. Either you live or you die, as you like. And there was a butcher, he blessed him, Ma jiva ma amaro, you don't die, don't live. So these words are very significant. That I have already explained, still I am explaining. The prince is enjoying sense, that's all. He has got enough facility for sense enjoyment. So his next life is hellish. Because if you indulge in sex life, then Krishna will give you facility to have sex life 3 times in an hour, just like the pigeons, the monkeys, the sparrows, they are very sexually strong. You have seen it. So the facility is given. So princely order, they are after sense enjoyment. So he is blessed that better you live forever, because after your death you do not know what is going to happen to you. You are going to get a hellish life. Better you live for some time. Go on with your enjoyment. And Muniputra, Majiva, Brahmachari, working under the guidance, under strict disciplinary guidance of his spiritual master, he is blessed Majiva. Then you better die, because you are so trained to enter into the kingdom of God. So why should you take so much trouble? Better you die and go back to God. Majiva. And a devotee, he blessed Jivova Amarova. My dear devotee, either you live or die, the same thing. And the butcher, he blessed him, Ma jiva ma amaro. You don't live, don't die. What is to do? His living condition is so abominable. From the morning he has to slaughter so many animals, see the blood stained, the ghastly scene. That is his livelihood. So what a horrible life this is. So don't live. And don't die also. Because after death, he is going to be in so much hellish condition, nobody can describe. So both life, living condition and death, after death, his condition is very horrible. Anyway, apart from others, the devotee, for him, appearance and disappearance, the same thing.